Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to Studio 40. Today I want to try to restore my phone. I have make a backup now. I want to try to restore. Okay, I want to try to restore with iTunes, 3uTools. Okay, let's see if it's working. Okay, first of all, connect your phone. Okay, directly to this USB cable. Okay, let me do this. Okay, nice. Connected. You need to click on Truth. Beautiful. Now welcome on this beautiful thing, and let's try to back up this phone. Okay, as you can see, I have no Apple ID, nothing. Now I don't know if it's working, if it's working, but I can try just to see. Okay, just to see. Nice. Close all of this. No applications, no install it, application no install it. Okay, thank you. Let's try it right now. Okay, when I click on backup, I can see password setting. Password setting is unknown. Backup field may be encrypted. Full tool will detect password setting status after backup. Okay, I want to click on view all backup. I have all of this. This is my backup, but I don't know if it's working. Click on mode, and this is all of my backup. Application list, 28 applications. Okay, started. I can see you can access to this thing because okay, nice. Now all of my applications appear here just in front of you. What can I do? What can I do now? Okay, let's try something. Let's try something. Okay, nice. Let's try to back up to restore. Let's try to restore this game. As you can see restore. But look at when you click, you can see installing process. But what I don't know. Let's see in this phone. Okay, nothing appear here. But okay, wait a few minutes. Okay, with I got to back up without Apple ID, anything like that. I can see nothing on the screen. You can see just installing. Is it possible without connection ID, everything like that? I don't know if it's possible. I don't know. Okay, what can I do if it's not possible? You need to maybe you need to connect to enter your informations. Okay, before start it. I think that I need to connect my Apple ID first because it's not working. Okay, now let me connect my Apple ID. Let me do all of this and return to backup. Look at what I have here. I have here install it. You see, install it. Seriously? I'm not disconnecting anything. And what is installed? What? Oh, you can see singing in application store. Singing in with the Apple ID that purchased it. This is something you need to do first. This is something you need to do first. You need to put your Apple ID before using everything here. Before using everything here. Do you believe this? Do you believe this? Damn. As you can see, it, the installation is possible, but you need to install your this information, the Apple ID of this account. Okay, let me try to install another applications like what? Like program. Okay, click on restore. Damn. Okay, process started. Nothing of this screen yet. Okay, but you need to wait just a minute. Just a minute. Okay, wait a few minutes for process. Okay. Okay. Okay, this program is also installed. Okay, install it now. Let's see if I can open this application also. Let's open. Damn, you need also to sing in. Do you believe it? You need also your Apple ID before enter this to this. Look at my phone have not account. They are not password also. Okay. Now let me restore my phone. Let me restore my phone. Let me reset, erase all content, and let me try to reinstall everything. Okay, disconnect this phone quickly. Okay, nice, disconnected. Now let me try to install everything. Okay, my Apple ID, my passcode, everything, and I will retrieve a backup with 3uTools because for me it's the boss. Okay, I will try to back up everything right now. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Okay, wait a few minutes and let me do this by myself. By myself. Thank you. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. Now I want to enter everything. Okay, wait a few minutes. Look at what I have here. Look at what I have in front of me, bro. Do you believe it? I have restore from my computer, from Mac or computer. Okay, let me connect this to my computer and do this. Okay, as you can see, my phone is connected and I can now access to free tools and do what I'm ready to do right now. Do you believe it? Are you ready? Okay, let's restore this phone just like that. Okay, let's click on or backup and restore. Look at my field. I choose the second. Okay, easy mode. Let's check first. Okay, application list 28. This application is free. You can download free software for free, and for me it's the best. If it's your reverse, I will test this right now. But remember, you need also after backup, you need your Apple ID. I have not entered my Apple ID yet. Okay, now I want to start to restore face field. Okay, now click on restore all. The face field is what I have installed. This is the backup of iTunes. I don't want to use this. Now click on restore all. What? Look at what you have seen. I feel if my phone is turned on, if my phone is turned or it turned on for the current device, make sure that you have password, ID, and is everything. Wow. Okay, click on next. Verifying fields. And this is where we backup started. Getting getting to recover files. Okay, and your phone is always connected. Okay, I need face ID. Nice. Okay, always connected. Okay. Get ready. Get ready. Now, look at what I have here. Look at what I have here. You can see all of this, and you can see what? You can see the size, all of this, my applications, all of this. I need backup all of this. Thank you. Even the program premium camera I bought. Okay, click on start recovery. Now look at this screen. Look at what you have. Damn. And the process started. You have this fee restore field 2.56 gigabytes. Recovery everything. I have made the backup directly in my beautiful and amazing, as you can see, gaming laptop. So nice. Then start it. Okay. Remember, after this, you need your your Apple ID, the same Apple ID that you have used to make this thing backup. Oh, okay, nice. Now wait a few minutes for a vanishing. You can see here 1.33 gigabyte restored. Okay, the process is here 68%, 69%. Okay, you will see this. Okay, you can see the seconds. Don't disconnect your phone. Okay, it's connected. It's connected. Ha ha ha. This is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Thank you. What? Almost finished. Really? And what? Okay. You can see 2.27 gigabytes restored. Wow. And what? Do you believe it? Do you? Okay, very nice. Data is recovered, waiting for a reboot to recover application. Now you have, okay, you can see I have seen the logo, Apple logo here. But what? Okay, I have seen the Apple logo. and as you can see is waiting, is waiting. Don't cancel. Okay, do not cancel, do not cancel. Look at, nice, do not cancel. Wait, we're finishing all the backup. Wait, and what? Okay, switch app to upgrade. What, I need my passcode. Okay, let me do it. And what again? Okay, just wait a few minutes. The backup process started. Okay, as you can see, don't disconnect your phone. The process is here. First, select file. What? Look at this here. Hello, and what? Face ID. Face ID what? Face ID. Okay, let me unlock my phone with Face ID. Okay, wonderful. You can see restore completed. Application and data will continue downloading in the background. In the background. Now click on continue. What can you have now? You need your Apple ID. As you can see, this is my Apple ID email. Now what can I do? I need to put my password. As you can see here, it's not finished here. You need to do everything. Okay, let me do this what now? Okay, I am trying to connect to my Apple ID. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me do it. Wait. And what? Okay, two password authentication. Let's see with your phone number. If it's done, crazy. It will make automatically, as you can see. You can see now, updating iCloud settings. I also that is fast. I don't want to wait again. Okay, wait a few minutes. Don't forget to look at shop because it's amazing. Look at here, the process continue. Okay, always you can see stature waiting. Okay, wait a few minutes. Okay, look at what I have here. I need to enter what? Enter old password. Oh, another. Okay, let me do this. And what after? Okay, this password protect your Apple ID saved password and other data stored in iCloud. Your password is encrypted and cannot enter iPhone password. What are you doing? Enable location. Okay, and what? Process continue. As you can see here, waiting, restore application. Okay. Click on continue and welcome to iPhone. Click on switch. Now look at what you have now. Thank you. Let's see if my application restore it. Okay, cancel. Where my applications now? Where? I can see nothing. No applications, no nothing. What can I do now? What can I do? Look at data is recovering, waiting for a reboot to recover application. Free, you can see free. What can I do? Can I wait or not? I don't know. Okay, I can see my Apple ID is back. Find my phone always off. I make it off. And what else? As you can see, beautiful, nice, working very well. iPhone storage. Okay, only this used. Okay, this is good news for people. And what? Look at now you have four here. It was three, now it's four. I need to wait for the finishing of this thing, bro. I have just to wait again. For wait. Let's see on this phone to see what is happening here. Okay, nothing yet on the screen. Okay, just wait a few minutes again. Okay, I'm not more battery, bro. My phone, my camera is almost the battery of my camera is almost on empty. Okay, look at very well before I go. Okay, let face ID. What are you doing? Wow. Okay, unlock. As you can see, no application installed yet. Just this. Okay, let me turn on my beautiful USB cable. Let's see. Almost always connected. Okay, data recovery. Okay, now I have something here. Now application started, connect, install it, and the process started. Okay, what you need to do, you need just to disconnect your beautiful USB cable. Okay, and connect again, and you can see the installation of all of your applications started. Okay, let me open for example this. Let's see if it's working. And what? Apple ID or not? Do you believe this? I'm not seeing. Oh ho ho ho! It's working. This is so nice. This is so great. Memory, nice, beautiful. 2 GB available for RAM. Have also this available in your storage, internal storage. This is the good news for me. And the process continue here. What can you do? You need just to wait a few minutes for finishing of this process, and well done. Thank you, Jesus. You are so beautiful. You are so nice. You are so amazing. God bless you all. And now wait for the finishing of this process. Okay. Thank you. My battery is almost empty. What can I do now? Okay. Okay. As you can see, it's good, it's beautiful. The process started. This is how to restore your phone and do something like that. Easy. You need absolutely to have Apple ID. So, wow. Don't forget your passcode also. It's important. You can watch this, okay, in a note and put this somewhere, okay, and put it all of it because it's really important. Thank you for watching. I also enjoy this video. Now I see you later for more videos. God bless you all. As you can see here, process started, installation of this thing continue. Okay, let me wait for finish. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. Siska today. Hello screen. Beautiful.